Hello, Wemwega, Jeta Mwalimu Wabui. My name is Teacher Wabui. This is Simple Kikuyu Lessons. And in this episode, we'll be looking at time, whether it's physical time or duration in time. So come along as we explore time together. Time in Kikuyu is da, da. However, this is more of a homophone because it has two meanings. You can say da as in time or da as in a watch. So you have to be specific when you're talking about the, which is time and a watch. Before we go into the details of, time of the day, the exact time, we'll be looking at what we call morning and afternoon, so that because in Kikuyu you have to be specific when you're talking about whether it's 7 o'clock in the morning or 7 o'clock in the afternoon. Typically, we do not have the o'clock equivalent in Kikuyu, but we do have the specific time of the day. So morning is roshine, roshine. For example, you can be saying da imwe roshine, and later in the video we'll be looking at these specifics. Mearaho, 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 which is afternoon. Hwaine, 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 evening. Hwaine, hwaine. Otuko, 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 which is night. Otuko, otuko. Sekedi. Now, this I'll tell you is a borrowed word from the English language, which is seconds, which is sekedi. When we come to the details of the minute, the time, the hour, or the seconds. Sekedi, which is again is a borrowed word. Dageka, 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 minutes. Dageka. Ida, 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 hour. Ida, like 1 hour. Ida, rimwe, 1 hour. In Kikuyu, time is measured in different formats, and I will be showing you from the seconds to even time for maybe 12 months, which is a year. So if it's a small, short time of moment, ihida, ihida or kahida, which means moment. Ihida, ihida or kahida, kahida, which kahida can mean, a shorter moment. Ihida can mean a longer moment. Kahida, ihida, mahida. I know this can be confusing, but again, with practice, it will be helpful. Ihida means a longer moment. Kahida, a shorter moment. Mahida, mahida can mean season. Mahida. And I'll be doing a totally full video about the seasons. Ida, which can mean time. Ida, time. Mada, hours. Mada, hours. So ida can mean time, but can also mean 1 hour. Ida, 1 hour. Mada, hours. Like 2 hours. Mada, Mary. If it's 1 hour, ida, rimwe. Mada, Mary. Mary means two. Mada, Mary. Modenya, 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 day. Modenya, for example, you can say modenya omwe, modenya omwe, modenya omwe, which is 1 day. Modenya day. Medenya, 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 medenya days. Like medenya eri, 2 days. Medenya eri, 2 days. Otuko, 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 which is night. Otuko, 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 night. You can say otuko omwe, like one night. Otuko omwe. Matuko, 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 matuko nights. Like matuko mere 2 nights. Matuko mere. And we do have some people say mautuko, mautuko, which means totally the same thing. Matuko, matuko, 2 nights, matuko mere. Mweri, 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 month, like 1 month. Mweri omwe, like 1 month. Mweri omwe, so mweri, month. If it's more than one, mieri, 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 months. Mieri, for example, if I have 2 months, I can say mieri ere, mieri ere, 2 months. Mwaka, mwaka, which is year. Mwaka, if it's 1 year, I say mwaka omwe, mwaka omwe, 1 year. Mwaka, mwaka, year. If it's more than one, miaka, 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 miaka. If I have, like 3 years, I can say miaka etatu, miaka etatu, 3 years. Miaka, years. Telling time in Kikuyu requires practice because there's no direct equivalent of the numbers. And you will see that there's a discrepancy or there's a difference between when I say, for example, 7 o'clock, it may not be 7 as in Mowaja in Kikuyu. That tells me that if you haven't looked at our numeral video or numbers video, please go and have some practice with the numbers because this will have more meaning to you as you practice time in Kikuyu. When you want to ask somebody what time is it, you ask them neda shigana, neda shigana. What is the time? Neda shigana. Neda, and then you say what time it is. It is very important for you to include the time of the day. For example, if it's roshine, which is morning, waine, which is afternoon, kana, and kana means or, otuko, which is at night. So if, for example, if you want to say 7 o'clock or 7 p.m., neda emwe waine or utuko, and later in the video we'll be looking at those specifics, so please stick along. Da emwe, the equivalent is 7 o'clock. Da emwe, 7 o'clock. Da igere, da igere, 8 o'clock. Da idato, da idato, 9 o'clock. Da iña, da iña, da iña, 10 o'clock. Da idano, da idano, 11 o'clock. Da dita, da dita, that is noon. Da dita. You do notice I did not say ida dato, which is 6. I said da dita, which is noon. Again, when you want to ask what time is it, neda shigana. What time is it? Neda shigana. Practice makes perfect. So it's good for you to practice over and over and it becomes, second nature. Da muwaja, 1 o'clock. Da muwaja. Da inyanya, 2 o'clock. Da keda, 3 o'clock. Da keda. Da ikomi, da ikomi, da ikomi, 4 o'clock. Da ikomi na emwe, da ikomi na emwe, da ikomi na emwe, 5 o'clock. Vinashara. Again, you'll notice I did not say da, which is time. I said Vinashara. Vinashara, which is 6 o'clock. Vinashara. Vinashara, 6 o'clock. Please go over the times because as you can see, there is no equivalent. If it's, for example, da mugwaja, it's not 7 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock. So this will probably require you to memorize, and then muscle memory. It will become second nature as you keep practicing over and over. Spending time in Kikuyu takes lots of practice. Now that we have looked at the corresponding time in English, and we've also looked at the times of the day, Roshine, which is morning, Utuko, which is night, we've also looked at how to ask time in Kikuyu, ne da shigana. Now we'll be looking at some phrases to practice telling times in durations. For example, the 15-minute mark, the 30-minute mark, and how you say it. Nudu is half. Nudu, 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 half. Rofo, 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 quarter. So if somebody asks you, ne da shigana, what time is it? You can say, for example, ne da emwe roshine, ne da emwe roshine, ne da emwe roshine. It is 7 in the morning or 7 a.m. Ne da emwe hwaine, ne da emwe hwaine. It is 7 in the evening or 7 p.m. If somebody asks you if it's already 7:15, ne da shigana, what time is it? You can say, ne da emwe na rofo rushine. Ne da emwe na rofo rushine. Ne da emwe na rofo rushine. It is 7:15 a.m. or 7:15 in the morning. Ne da emwe na rofo hwaine. Ne da emwe na rofo hwaine. Ne da emwe na rofo hwaine. It's 7:15. If it's 7:30, ne da emwe na nudu roshine. Ne da emwe na nudu roshine. Ne da emwe na nudu roshine. It is 7:30 in the morning. If it's in the evening, 7:30 p.m., ne da emwe na nudu hwaine. Ne da emwe na nudu hwaine. Ne da emwe na nudu hwaine. It is 7:30 p.m. Again, our keywords is nudu, which is half, or rofo, quarter. Rofo, quarter. Ne da shigana, what time is it? Ne da emwe etigetie rofo roshine. So this one is really different, 6:45 a.m. So it's 6:45. Etigetie, etigetie, which means 15 minutes to the time. Ne da emwe etigetie rofo roshine. Ne da emwe etigetie rofo roshine. If it's 6:45 p.m., ne da emwe etigetie rofo hwaine. Ne da emwe etigetie rofo hwaine. Ne da emwe etigetie rofo hwaine, which is 6:45. Again, if somebody asks you, ne da shigana, what time is it? If it's 7:15 p.m., ne da imwe na rofo roshine. So you see the difference between Tio and 6:45 is etigetie. And if it's after, it's na rofo. So etigetie is before, na is after. Ne da imwe na rofo rushine. Ne da imwe na rofo rushine, which is 7:30 in the morning. Ne da, if it's 7:15 p.m. Ne da imwe na rofo huaine. Ne da imwe na rofo huaine. Ne da imwe na rofo huaine. It is 7:30 in the evening. More practice will make all these times sensible, so keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching Simple Kikuyu Lessons. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.